Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Only 6 people are there. Fine, we will continue our exercise on the cones. Question number 1, 2 and 3 is over. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, let us see question number 4. Pay attention, all of you. A conical tent 10 meter high of base radius 24 meter is to be made. Find the slant height of the cone. So what is given and what is asked? What is given, children? What is given? Shreya, what is given?
Height and radius.
So how are we going to find out the slant height? Okay, we'll find out the slant height using the formula L is equal to what? Under the root h square plus r square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And how much canvas would be required, you tell me? For a tent, for a conical tent, how much canvas do you require? Equal to which area? Canvas means the area, na? Obviously the material required, the area. Yes or no?
Yes.
And obviously the curved surface, because for a tent, base पे तो कुछ नहीं रहता because base is always the ground. Tent is mounted on the ground. Yes or no? So the tent never has a base. Yes or no?
Yes.
So material required will be only equal to the PSA. Yes or no? Start writing. Height h is 10 meters. They have given to us 10 meters. Radius r is equal to 24 meters. Now, number 1, slant height. They have asked for the slant height directly. We'll have to put the formula only for the slant height. So what is L equals to? What is L equals to? What is the formula? Under the root h square plus r square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So 10 square plus 24 square. 100 plus 576. That is root of 676. And we know that root 676 is 26. Children, you should know all these things now. 24, 10 and 26 forms a Pythagorean triplet. You should know all these things compulsory. You should be compulsory knowing all these things. Yes or no?
Yes.
So thus what? The slant height. Yes, slant height of the tent is 26 meters. And after that, number 2. There was the cost of the canvas required. So first we will need to find out how much canvas will be required and then cost. So let me write canvas required to make the tent. Canvas required to make the tent is equal to CSA, curved surface area of the tent, because only the curved surface area will be made. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Yes. So, and what is the curved surface area?
Pi RL.
Pi RL.
Pi RL. Very good answer. So, pi RL. The values get the answer. 22 upon 7 into, how much is the radius? 24. How much is slant height? 26 we have found out. Now don't do the multiplications, because see, cost factor is having 70, and that 70 and 7 is going to get cancelled. Anyways, we are going to need this. So what you can do at the most, do all the multiplications and keep. Do all the multiplications, don't do the division. 22 into 24 into 26. Do it. 22 4s are 88. Carry over 8. 22 2s are 44 and 8 52. 528 into 26 divided by 7. Do the multiplications, children. Do the multiplications and tell me the answer.
$13,728.
13,728. Very good. 13,728 upon 7. What? Meter square. This much is the area of the canvas required, right? This much is the canvas required. And now they have given us the cost factor. Now cost for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 70. These many meter square. How many meter square? 13,728 upon 7 meter square is equal to rupees X. Do the cross multiplication. So X is equal to 13728. 13728 upon 7 into 77 on the 7 tens are, and ultimately 13728 with a 0. That makes 1,37,280 rupees. That much is the cost of the tent required. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thus, cost of the tent is rupees 1,37,280. So simple, it becomes. Yes or no, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. Again, an important question, conceptually important. What length of tarpaulin, 3 meter wide, will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters? Assume that the extra length of the material, anyways they have asked us the length, further they are saying the extra length for stitching and margins is approximately 20 centimeters. Is approximately 20 centimeters. This is what they are saying. Again, what we have to do? We have to prepare a tent. We have to prepare not a tent, conical tent. We have to prepare a conical tent from a tarpaulin. Okay. Now see what I'm saying. We have to prepare this kind of a tent. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
From what? From a rectangular shape, because tarpaulin जो भी क्लॉथ रहता है वो रेक्टेंगुलर पीस रहता है, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So can I say the area? How much is the area of this cloth? Length into breadth. This area is actually equal to the cloth required, that is the CSA of the tent, because from this cloth we are going to make this tent. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
So the width is given, the length is asked. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that we will find
Yes.
it out. Correct? So let's start writing. For the required conical tent, what is given to us? Height is given. H is equal to 8 meters and radius is equal to 6 meters. And for the available rectangular tarpaulin, है ना? It is going to be rectangular. Yes or no, children? Any sheet is always
Yes,
rectangular
sir.
sheet. Yes or no?
Yes.
Rectangular tarpaulin sheet, the breadth given to us is 3 meters. Yes or no?
Yes.
So let me write. The conical tent would be made from this rectangular sheet of tarpaulin. Tarpaulin means what, children? वो तो जो ताड़पत्री होता है, that plastic paper which we use generally in the rainy seasons just to cover our roofs and all those things. Yes or no? That is called as tarpaulin. Are we understanding?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So many are absent today. I'm feeling very bad. People are absent. So what? See, area of the tarpaulin used would be equal to area of the what sheet needed for tent. Yes or no?
Yes.
So area of
Yes.
tarpaulin used for conical tent. So let me again change this. Area of rectangular tarpaulin used. Area of rectangular tarpaulin used is equal to area of the sheet needed for conical tent, and that is equal to LB. Area of tarpaulin used will be LB should be equal to CSA of the cone.
Hello.
Let me put the values. Length into 3 is equal to pi RL. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me what we have missed out. Do you know the slant height of the cone?
No.
हमारे पास है क्या slant height of the cone? नहीं है. So first find it out. First find the slant height of the cone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let me write therefore.
Okay.
For the cone, L is equal to under the root h square plus r square. H is 8. R is 6. 64 plus 36, 100. So that means your L is going to be 10. For the cone, the slant height has come out to be 10. 6, 8 and 10 is another Pythagorean triplet. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now put those values. So L into 3. L of the tarpaulin, it is 3.14 because they have given the value of pi as 3.14 into radius. Radius कितना है? 6 into slant height 10. This into 3 will come here and become divided by 3. So L is equal to 31.4 multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. Yes or no? One decimal shifts. Divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. L has become 3.14 into 2. Ultimately, L becomes how much? 6.28 meters. Are you understanding, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So thus, no, wait. This is 6.28 meters. That is the length of the tarpaulin. And we need extra 20 centimeters. Do you remember they have said extra 20 centimeters is needed? Can you see here? The extra length
Yes.
is 20 centimeters. Means I need extra 20 centimeters. Apart from the length, we need extra margin of 20 centimeters. Gopal, is it necessary? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let me write the final statement now. Extra 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter means what, right? 0.2 meters is needed for stitching margins. Yes or no? So actual length is equal to 6.28 plus 0.20 is equal to 6.48 meters. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are we understanding, children? All of us?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now in the figure also show.
Yes.
In your figure also with the pen you show that this length was equal to what we had found out. We had found out it as 6.28 meters. And then extra 20 centimeters we needed. We needed extra 20 centimeters. That was 0.2 meters for stitching. 6.28 meters plus 20 centimeters. That is 6.48 meters. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Good. And in
Yes.
right. So we first need the slant height. Using slant height, we found out the CSA, and that CSA is equal to length into breadth. So divide by the breadth to get the length, and extra 20 centimeters. So add the length. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good. Next question number 6. And I hope you all are solving these sums again on the very same day. Are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Good. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are given. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area. So what to do? What to do?
CSA of conical dome.
Yes, and CSA of conical dome and what? Cost factor, simple.
Length.
Yes.
Multiply by the cost factor. Rate is given for per 100 meter square. Rate is given for per 100 meter square. Accordingly, we'll take. ठीक है ना? चलो start. For the given conical tomb. For the given conical tomb. Bolo, what is given? What is given?
Length.
Length. Length. Slant height L is 25 meters. Yes or no? And diameter is 14 meters. Means radius is 7 meters. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Now, area to be whitewashed. Is equal to what? CSA of the cone. Yes or no?
Yes.
How much is the CSA of the cone? Pi r. I'll put the values, get the answers. Is equal to pi r L. Is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Again, 22 into 25, I'll keep it as it is because my rate factor has got 100. The term has 100 and 125 are cancelable. Yes or no? So keep it. Don't find out this area. Now, cost for 100 meter square is equal to rupees 210. Then for 22 into 25 meter square, rupees X. Do the cross multiplication. X is equal to 22 into 25 into 210 divided by 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So is equal to 22 into 210 divided by 4. 2 twos are 2 11s are and 2 ones are 205s are. 210 divided by 2. Don't write 15 like an idiot. It is 105. So ultimately X would be 11 into 105. So X comes out to be how much? 11 5s are 55, 0, 11 5s are 55, 11 1s are 11, rupees 1155. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Anyways, we are copying. So why we will get a different answer? Yes or no, children? Why should you get a different answer?
No.
So thus, good. Good if you are doing the multiplication. Thus, the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area. Always write the answer statements. Compulsory, children. See, for every question I am writing the answer statement. Thus, so and so. Thus, so and so. Always have the habit in the board exam. Answer statement carries the mark. Compulsory. You don't write the answer statement, half mark is cancelled. Is rupees 1155. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Next question number 7. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of radius 7 and height 24. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. How much sheet will be required to make one cap? One joker's cap का sheet कितना रहेगा? हाँ children. Suppose the joker's cap is like in the shape of a cone. So how much sheet is required for one cap? Are how much sheet is required? Abhida? Am I audible, children?
Yes.
So how much sheet is required to make one cap? अरे इक्वल टू CSA ऑफ द कैप ना. कोनिकल कैप है, ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो? उसका नीचे का बेस तो नहीं रहता. Do we have a base for a cap, children?
No.
Then why are you not answering? What is your problem? You tell me. I am really getting very, very irritated because of all these things. Solution. For the conical cap, what is given? Radius is equal to 7 centimeters. And height is given 24 centimeters. What we have to find out first in order to find out the CSA?
Slant height.
Slant height L. Yes, very good. So L is going to be under the root h square plus r square under the root 24 square plus 7 square 576 plus 49. Copy, children, don't do anything. 625, and therefore ultimately L becomes 25 centimeters. Why? Because I know that 24, 7 and 25 form a Pythagorean triplet. If you want, you can put the values here. This is 7. This is the height. And then now you have found out the slant height. Seven, 24, and hence it is 25. So what will I write now? Area of sheet required to make one cap is equal to CSA of the cone. Yes or no?
Yes.
To make one cap is equal to CSA of the cone is equal to pi r L. Pi r L. Put the values, get the answers. 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 20.
550 centimeters square.
550 centimeters square. Very good answer. And we have to make 10 such caps. Yes or no?
Yes.
So sheet required for 10 such caps. Area of sheet required means into 10. है ना?
Yes.
10 into 550, that would become 5500 centimeters
5,500
square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. 5500 centimeter square. Correct?
Yes.
Take a screenshot of this screen. Taken?
Yes, sir.
Take here also.
Taken, sir.
Question number 8. Okay, last question of this exercise. A bus stop is barricaded. They have given the value of root 1.04 also. We have prepared barricades for a bus stop using the cones. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of a road by using 50 hollow cones and made up of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeters and a height of 1 meters. And if the outer side is painted, find the cost of painting ₹12 per meter square at the rate of ₹12 per only the outer side, because hollow cone, remember children, hollow cone will always have both the sides. Yes or no?
Yes.
And now we have to paste 50 cones. So obviously we'll find out the outer curved surface area and multiplied by 50. Yes or no?
Yes.
And they are telling to take root 1.04 as 1.02. They are telling take root of 1.04 as 1.02. So obviously, which area is to be painted? CSA is to be painted, and only the outer CSA. Only the outer CSA is to be painted. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Draw the conical barricade. It's not needed. If you want, you can draw. Always better if we have a figure with us. Base diameter is given 40. So diameter is given to us 40. That means obviously radius is 20. And height is given of 1 meters. Cost also is in meters. So using base diameter and height, we will have to first find out the slant height. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
So height is 1 meters. Base diameter is 40 centimeters. So obviously the radius would now become 20 centimeters means what? 0.2 meters. Yes or no?
Yes.
For the given cone, they have given to us height is equal to 1 meter, radius is equal to, diameter is equal to diameter is equal to 40 centimeters. Hence radius is equal to 20 centimeters, that is equal to 0.2 meters. I am purposely making it 0.2 because they have given root of 1.04. So let us check. Slant height L is equal to pi RL. They are telling pi as 3.14. radius as point, sorry. L is equal to what, Ray? What is L?
Root h square plus r square.
Yes. 1 square plus 0.2 whole square. 1 plus 0.04 because 1 decimal square becomes 2 decimal is equal to under the root 1.04, which they have given as 1.02 as the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So slant height comes out to be 1.02 meters. 1.02 meters. And now I'm taking it over here. Area to be painted is equal to CSA of the cone with CSA, outer CSA, and outer dimensions are only there with us, is equal to pi r L. Put the values, get the answer. 3.14 is pi, radius 0.2 and length 1.02. Wait, now this is area to be painted. How many such cones are to be painted? 50 such cones. Yes or no?
Yes.
50 such cones are to be painted. So total area to be painted is equal to area of 50 such cones. See now, for 50, I'm going to do some 50 into 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02. And see, for 50, I'm writing how? 50, I'm purposely going to write it as 100 upon 2. 100 upon 2 into 314 upon 100. 2 decimals and 2 decimals. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Into 2 upon 10 into 102 upon again 100. So that 100 and 100 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Ultimately, it is 314 into 102 divided by 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
And now put the, somebody take a screenshot quickly. Just a minute. 2 and 2 got cancelled. This and this get cancelled. So divided by 1000. Sorry. Take a screenshot now. Take a screenshot. Very fast meeting is going to get over. And now just find the cost.